Hi Draw So Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw Scrump from Lilo and Stitch. So let's get started. To draw this cute rag doll, let's first start by drawing the eyes. So I'm going to come right here and draw a really big circle. And I'm going to come right next to it, let's say about right here. Give myself a point, and I'm going to draw another circle. There, I got two huge circles in. The second circle is always harder because you have to try to match the first one, right? Okay, so come in here. And now that we have these two circles, let's go ahead and we're going to draw an X on this one right here. So I'm going to come right here, round it off, go up on the other side, and we're going to do the same thing at the bottom to create this X. And then we're going to draw 4 circles in here for the button. So no Draw So Cute eyes today. Definitely need to keep these eyes. Okay, so then now that we have that, we're going to draw the stitched mouth. So I'm going to come beyond this eye right here. I'm going to come out about, say, right here. And I'll give myself a point on the other side about right here. So past this eye. And from there, we're going to wobble this curve that's going to come up in the center. So right underneath this eye, we're going to go up, right here in the center, and then come down and go right back up to create the mouth. There. So then I'm just going to cap this off on the edge, and then we're going to come in here and draw some stitches. So I'm just going to come in here and cut off with some curves here and there, going in different directions. And one more. There. Now that we have that, let's go ahead and frame the face. So I'm going to come to the top of the eye, about right here, give myself a point, and same thing over here. Just helps me know where I'm going. And from there, I'm going to draw a curve. So I'm going to go, definitely just go around this mouth. So we're basically trying to draw this usual dumpling shape that I give to all my characters. So about right there, I'm going to bring this in. And right underneath the mouth. There. And connect with a curve. If it's easier for you to just draw the head shape first, definitely do that as well. And then you can put in the eyes and the mouth. I just started with the eyes and the mouth just so I make sure that everything is where I want it to be. So now that we have that, let's go up. And we're going to go higher up. So let's find our center. Let's say about right here. I'll just give myself a point so I know where I'm going. About right there, I'm going to connect it and come right back down. So when you're drawing big, definitely give yourself points, and that makes it a lot easier to draw. Okay, so now I have this head in, so the usual dumpling shape. Right here, I'm just going to go ahead and draw a soft curve on both sides of the eye. And then we're going to draw the cute little bow right in the center. So about right here, just wobble a little bit. Draw a curve right here. Put a little curve right there. And then we're going to go up to draw our bow. And just tuck it in. Nice, simple bow. And then come on the other side, and we're going to do the same thing. There, and then we can draw some details in here. Just going to loop right there in the center, and then we're going to draw the hair. So let's see here. We're just going to bring out some strands. Maybe 2 right in the center. Different heights. And tuck in another one. Wherever you feel you need to tuck in one to fill up the space. There, I got her hair in. And then now for her little body. So right underneath, we're going to center. We're just going to center this little neck right here and then connect it. And then now to draw her body, I'm going to skip a little bit space, come down, and about right here, I'm going to draw a curve. And then same thing here, skip a little bit and draw a curve. From there, I'm going to draw the foot. So about right here where this curve ends, and in this area, I'm going to draw kind of like a circle, but the end of our circle is going to be flattened. So about right here, I'm just going to flatten it out a little bit right at the bottom. Then we're going to come down, and then right here we're going to go across. So bring out this slight curve that goes in, and we're going to cross it over to this side, and this side we're going to pop out a foot, the leg I mean. So we're just going to curve. So we just want to make sure it's the same height on the other side of this foot. And just go ahead and connect. And then right here, we're going to cut it off lightly with a curve. And then the hands. So right here, where the space is, we're just going to come in here and tuck it in. And same thing here. There. Hopefully that was nice and simple to draw this cute little rag doll. And then for some details, you can come in here and draw some curves or some crease, because she is a rag doll, right? Or you can do that when you're coloring, so it's not such a harsh black line. And then down here as well. And let's see. Right in the center here, we're going to draw another circle for another little detail. I think it's the original is an X, right? Inside the center. I'm just going to make mine a heart so that at least I can make it my Draw So Cute Scrump from Lilo and Stitch. So I'm going to add a little heart right here. But if you want to follow the original, it's another X just like that. And that is pretty much it for this drawing of this cute rag doll from Lilo and Stitch. I really hope you loved it, and thank you for requesting I draw this cute doll. And if I helped you out, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.